Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you're going to make a pictograph over Peardeck. And so this pictograph is all about the different colors of balloons that there are. So here's our title, balloons. And we have red balloons, blue, yellow, and green. And on this side of the chart, it'll tell us how many of each there are. There's 7 red, 6 blue, 4 yellow, and 8 green. So now we're going to have to take that information and put it over here. But something we need to pay attention to is that for each drawing we're going to do, each balloon, that's actually going to equal 2 balloons. And unfortunately on Peardeck, I'm not able to actually get this picture for you all to click and drag and put on the graph. So instead of doing this, we're just going to draw a picture of a dot to represent a balloon. Since, balloons are circular. So what we can do is just make your pencil like pretty big so that it'll do a pretty big dot on your graph. So about right there is probably good. And so now we're going to take that and we'll just plop the dot on our graph. So for red, there's 7. And remember, each dot we do, there's 1. That is going to actually equal 2 balloons. It's not going to equal 1. So we have to make sure that we're doing the right amount. So there's 2, 4, 6. Oh, and if we did another one, that's 8. But we need to do 7. So what we can do in our pictograph is on Peardeck, just click on the eraser and erase half of your dot. And that'll show half of 2, which is just 1. So that's 2, 4, 6, and then 7. And then you're going to get your pencil and you'll do the same for blue. You don't necessarily have to change the color of your pencil, but you can if you want. So for blue, since there are 6 blue balloons, then we can count 2, 4, 6. And that's going to show us that there are 6 blue balloons. And now on your own, you're going to do the same for yellow and show how many yellow balloons there are on your pictograph, and do the same for green. So show how would you show that there are 8 green balloons on your pictograph. So make sure you're thinking of these circles. That's your picture for balloon. Since I'm not able to get this picture for you to click and drag, just make big dots on here, and that will be your picture for balloon.